of GPT-4.
Google's Gemini advancements today, OpenAI is called
Gemini
shipment.
Why should you use AI in your daily life, especially as a beginner?
Emotional damage.
Do you often feel lost with all of this AI stuff? Like everything changing too quickly, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and not even want to try? Maybe you're thinking, why even bother? Well, in this video I'm going to show you 5 reasons exactly why you need to learn AI ASAP, because understanding and using AI in your everyday life isn't just about keeping up with the tech world. It's about unlocking the whole new level of efficiency, creativity, and frankly, staying relevant in a world that's been rapidly reshaped by artificial intelligence. And trust me, you don't want to get left behind. Stick around, we're diving into exactly why incorporating AI, even as a beginner, it's not just a good idea, but a crucial skill for your daily life, starting right now. So, why you should start using AI in your everyday life and incorporate it into everything you do. First of all, you need to be informed. You must understand what kind of changes are coming and how they're gonna affect your life. Ask yourself, do I really want to ignore all of this AI stuff, or should I embrace its potential? Imagine this. If you ignore these changes, it's like watching a rocket launch while you're still on the ground. You will be stuck staring at the sky while others are already miles ahead. You are missing out on rapid developments that will not only reshape the world but also transform our way of life, our work, relationship, health, and every aspect of our existence. It's evolving so quickly that even experts in AI industry struggle to keep up with the new innovations. Every day you're not learning, you're falling behind. And you're falling pretty fast. Right now we are on exponential curve of development in artificial intelligence. What does it mean? For most people it's very hard to understand. So for example, right now you can ask AI to write a book on any topic, but soon or even today you can have it design new proteins or invent materials that would take humans decades to develop. In 2022 you might have laughed at the quirky videos of Will Smith eating spaghetti, but just 2 years later the same video looks very close to the Hollywood quality. It might not be perfect yet, but it won't be too long before it is. Falling behind might not seem like a big deal to everyone, but with these rapid changes that come in the next few years, adapting later might not be an option anymore. To keep up, you need to stay focused, keep an open mind and continuously learn how to work with AI tools. Okay, so we established why staying informed about AI is crucial, but just knowing about it isn't enough. To truly benefit from AI revolution, you need to transform your own way of thinking. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to drive a race car with the mindset of a horse carriage driver, right? The tools have changed and so must our approach. Right now, I see AI as my ultimate sidekick, a powerful tool to help me tackle everyday challenges and big questions. So, why is this thinking upgrade so important? The truth is, the rise of AI isn't just about the new gadgets and software. It's fundamentally changing the game. It's changing how we think, how we solve problems, and how we connect with the world. Let's break it down. Why updating your mind isn't a good idea anymore? It's essential. Better problem solving and efficiency. AI systems can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that might be missed by human observation alone. This means that integrating AI into our workflow pushes us to rethink our approach, update, embrace new strategies, and leverage technology to enhance decision making and efficiency. But it's not perfect. Biases, errors, and limitations creep in. To make most of it, you need to sharpen your own critical thinking. Question the outputs, spot flaws, and decide when you should trust the tech or you should do it yourself. Sticking to the old way of thinking leaves you vulnerable to making blind choices instead of informed ones. New tools, new opportunities. As tools become more intelligent and interconnected, our traditional methods of interacting with technology also needs to evolve. Embracing AI encourages us to become more agile, always learning and always adapting to new tools. The way people connect is evolving. With AI, fast responses and raised expectation, interactions need to be sharper and more precise. Updating your approach ensures you can cut through the noise and engage in a meaningful communication with people and AI. AI brings a big question: privacy risk, fairness issue, and job displacement, to name a few. Staying informed and updating your mindset means you can navigate these challenges. Advocate for responsible use to avoid doing some harm. It's about being proactive in a world where technology impact is growing. So, bottom line, the AI-driven world is moving fast, and standing still is not an option. By updating your way of thinking and interaction, you can harness AI benefits, productivity, sharper communication, smarter decisions, while understanding its risks heads-on. Adapt now, or just get left behind. It's simple. You need to understand that you must learn how to do cognitive offload to AI system. And by that, I mean you need to learn how to delegate part of your thinking abilities to AI. So instead of focusing on low-level thinking, you should think, how can I use AI in my everyday life so I'm able to delegate some of the thinking tasks to my AI, like analyzing data, spotting patterns, or generating ideas. It basically means work smarter, not harder. And you need to do it in a way that's gonna make your life easier and will help you reach your goals faster. So you need to decide on your goals. But why should you bother learning to do all of this? Here's a breakdown of the key reasons, along with some considerations to keep in mind. Number 1. Boost productivity and efficiency. One of the biggest perks of offloading cognition to AI is how it can supercharge your productivity. Machines excel at the tasks that are time-consuming or complex for humans, like analyzing massive datasets or performing repetitive calculation. By handling this to AI, you free up your time and mental energy to focus on a high-level task, like making decisions or solving big-picture problems. Think of it as an upgrade in your brain capacity. AI handles the dirty works while you do everything else what's important. For example, you can upload all of your notes to AI and ask it to analyze it and make a summary of your thoughts. I'm kinda thinking myself for some time already to do this, so maybe in the future I'm gonna make a video about that. AI isn't just a number cruncher, it can also spark creativity. By sharing your thinking process, you tap into a tool that can generate ideas or solutions that you might not have considered. This can be a game changer in a field like design, marketing, or research. Fresh perspectives are gold. It's like having a brainstorm partner that never runs out of steam. For example, you can ask AI to search for ideas where you should go in a new city or country and what to do there. And it's going to provide you with the links and places and names that you never heard about it. And just like that, it's gonna make your plan work. So, you should focus on what humans do best. Humans shine at judgment, creativity, and ethical reasoning, things AI cannot fully replicate. By letting machines handle routine or heavy data tasks, you can focus on what truly requires human creativity and judgment. AI takes care of details while you steer the ship with insights and value. Learning to share your thinking with AI isn't about laziness, it's about amplifying your capabilities. It's like mastering a new skill. The more you practice, the better you get at using AI efficiently. You will understand how to ask AI the right question, interpret its output, and integrate them into your work. This makes you more capable, not less. But remember, over-relying on AI could reduce your critical thinking if you lean on it too much. You might stop questioning its outputs or forget how to reason through problems yourself. Of course, if you knew how to do it in the first place. You need to understand that AI is a tool, not a magic pill to everything. In a way though, it's kinda magic, but not for everything. You should learn how to share your thinking processes with machine because it enhances your productivity, boosts your creativity, and let you focus on what matters most. Always assume you know nothing about the topic and try to come up with a fully open mind and change the way you used to do things in your life. A beginner mindset means approaching the subject with curiosity, openness and willingness to learn from scratch, without assuming you already know everything. Here is why this mindset is so important. First, AI is a seriously complex and always changing. We are talking computer science, math, statistics, and even philosophy. And it's evolving constantly. New tools, new ideas popping up all the time. Trying to do everything perfect from day one? Overwhelming. But starting with curiosity, that's exciting. Curiosity keeps you from feeling lost in the complexity. Openness helps you to adapt to the constant changes. You become an explorer, not someone who trying to go to the top of the mountain in one leap. Failure is a big part of learning AI. Get comfortable with failure. AI learning is messy. Hours tweaking things, fixing errors, models not working. It's rarely perfect on the first try. Expect to experiment. Expect things to break. That's normal. That's learning. A beginner sees mistakes as lessons, not failure. It builds resilience. You experiment more and you learn faster from what goes wrong. Every oops moment is actually a step forward for you. Third, brace yourself for chaos. New concepts, new methods. It will feel messy, disorienting, confusing at times. Feeling lost? That's totally normal. It means you're pushing your boundaries. You're exploring. Embrace the chaos. It's part of the adventure. It normalizes the confusion. It makes the learning process less intimidating. You accept that feeling lost is just a sign that you are on the right track. The track of learning something truly new. So, ditch the expert act before you even start. Embrace the beginner mindset. Be curious, be open, be ready to stumble, and be okay with a little chaos. That's a real mindset that will unlock AI for you. You want a first mover advantage. Think of it like getting a VIP access to the future. Being early to AI, learning it now, mastering it before everyone else gives you a massive head start. It's not just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. And let's see how. AI is transforming industries like tech, healthcare and finance by creating new jobs, business ideas and research possibilities. Learning AI early lets you secure high-demand position or launch innovative startups before the market becomes crowded. Master skill over time. Starting early allows you to build a solid foundation and develop advanced skills. When AI will be everywhere, you are already ahead. Shape the AI landscape. The early adopters not only use AI, they help to define its future. By engaging with AI now, you can innovate, develop new applications, and influence how AI is integrated into your field, leaving a lasting impact. It can help you build valuable connection. The early AI community is filled with pioneer researchers, developers, and entrepreneurs. Getting involved now helps you to join this network, paving the way for collaboration, mentorship, and career-boosting opportunities. Stay ahead of the curve. With AI constantly evolving through new tools and techniques, early exposure means you can grasp the basics and adapt quickly to those changes that emerge, keeping you on a cutting edge. It's gonna help you to stand out from the crowd. As AI becomes a critical skill across industries, having early expertise gives you a competitive edge. Employers and clients are likely to notice your advanced knowledge over those who are just starting out. That's gonna help you to become a go-to expert. Diving into AI now helps you build a reputation as a knowledgeable leader in the field. So don't wait, don't hesitate, seize the first mover advantage. Learn AI now and you're not just preparing for the future, you're actively building it for yourself and for the world. The AI revolution is here and you are invited. So let's be clear, this isn't just another tech trend, this is a fundamental shift. AI is not some distant future, it's here, reshaping our world right now. And you have a choice. You can stand on the sidelines, feel overwhelmed, and get left behind. Or you can jump right in, embrace the beginner mindset, learn how to work with AI, and seize the incredible first mover advantage. You can become more productive, more creative, and more valuable in this entire new world. Let's quickly recap 5 things that you need to remember as you start your AI journey. Number 1, stay informed. Know that rapid changes are happening and understand why it matters for you. Number 2, update your thinking. Adapt your mindset to the new AI era. Old ways won't work. Number 3, cognitive offload is key. Learn to delegate tasks to AI. Work smarter, not harder. Number 4, embrace the beginner mindset. Be curious, open, and ready to learn from scratch. Chaos is normal. Number 5, seize the first mover advantage. Early AI skills gives you a massive edge in the future. Your AI journey starts now. So, are you ready to start using AI in your daily life? Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to begin is now. Here is for you a first step. Pick one AI tool that interests you, maybe a chatbot or image generator, just one. Spend just 15 minutes a day experimenting with it. That's it. Small step, consistent effort. That's how you build a real skill. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you are going to try first. Let's learn together, build the future together. Your AI journey starts now. Follow for more, subscribe, hit that like button, and watch my other videos.